In September 2015, 193 member states of the United Nations adopted a historical resolution committing themselves to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. It contains 17 Sustainable Development Goals and 169 targets. IF and ILAC accreditation and accredited conformity assessment activities support economic growth, enable inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and promote productive employment and decent work for all. Hence, accreditation is a main tool to build prosperity.
The ILAC and IAF mutual recognition arrangements aim to facilitate international trade, which is an essential component of a country's path to prosperity. Accredited conformity assessment services in this regard cover a multitude of services, including product life cycle assessments based on objective and internationally recognized criteria, inspection and certification of design and operation of environmentally benign technologies and services, and the audit of health and safety management systems.
ऊर्जा परिवर्तन पहेली का हल करना क्लाइमेट चेंज के साथ मानवता की सबसे बड़ी चुनौती है। प्रत्यायन दोनों विषयों में प्रभाव डालता है। कंफर्मिटी असेसमेंट सेवाएं जैसे कि एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम सर्टिफिकेशन, ऊर्जा संयंत्र के इंस्पेक्शन, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस की मान्यता प्रभावी विषयों और कार्यक्रमों को रेखांकित करती है। इन सेवाओं के माध्यम से देशों में SDG 7 ऊर्जा परिवर्तन के लिए लागू किया जा सकता है।
Accreditation promotes socially inclusive and environmentally sustainable economic development by enhancing infrastructure, industry, and innovation. Conformity assessment services continually endorse new technologies and support economic and industrial growth, build trade capacities in industries, and ensure that all countries can benefit from international trade and technological progress.
La disponibilidad de servicios acreditados respalda la transformación estructural y el crecimiento económicos, al aumentar la capacidad de la industria local para agregar valor, diversificar las economías y promover las exportaciones, así como generar empleo y crecimiento en los servicios relacionados con la industria. Esto brinda más oportunidades para mujeres y hombres en todos los grupos sociales, mediante la construcción de la infraestructura resiliente, la promoción de la industrialización inclusiva y sostenible y el fomento a la innovación.
Accredited services such as road inspection, lift certification, and soil and water testing are used by many countries in their pursuit of effective development of cities and metropolitan areas that are considered as powerhouses of economic growth. Accredited conformity assessment services support the increasing of living standards, the reduction of global carbon emissions, and improving inadequate and overburdened infrastructure caused by rapid urbanization.